Hi, hello friends. So here I'm going to be bringing us the series of videos in a project I captioned build your own sorry this build your own Linux server step by step from scratch to finish. So we are gonna work on this project, building a server from scratch on a virtual machine up to finish, and we're gonna install Oracle software and we're gonna create Oracle database. So the agenda for the project, the project outline is create a virtual machine. That will be in part 1 of the video, and install Linux server on the virtual machine, and part 3 of the video will be install Oracle software on the Linux machine and Linux server. And the fourth video in this series is gonna be the creation of Oracle database. So we're gonna create Oracle database. So in this project, these are the different requirements we will need to succeed, amongst others, but these are the major ones that we will need to succeed in this project. So the first one here, we'll need a Oracle VirtualBox to create our virtual machine, and we will need to download an operating system, Linux CentOS 7 disk image, and we'll need Oracle software version 12C release 2, and we will need a putty. Putty is the tool we're going to be using to access to connect to our database, or to connect to our server and to our database. And then we'll need FileZilla to transfer files from our host machine to the server. So this is the project. I have everything here already organized. We're just going to flow according to how it's organized here. So in the part 1 of this video, we are going to download Oracle VirtualBox and create a virtual machine. So I'm going to leave the link, the download link. This is a download link. I'm going to leave this link at the description on this video, so you can click on the link. It will take you to the download page where you're going to be able to download the VirtualBox. Good. Yeah, welcome back. So in this, we are going to start the part 1 of this video. So the part 1, we are going to create a virtual machine. So these are the steps we are going to follow. So step 1, we are going to download the VirtualBox and install on our computer, on our physical computer. So I already downloaded, just to show you quick. Yeah, so when you click on the link, you're going to get to this page where you can do your download. So I already downloaded the VirtualBox. I'm not going to do that again. So if you need help with that, you can comment, and I can make a separate video of that, or I can reach out to you and help in any way I can. So I already have my VirtualBox installed on my computer right here. I'm gonna resize this so I will be able to have it side by side with my stuff, with my list on the other hand. So I already have a VirtualBox, and I have 2 virtual machines created already running. So in this video, we are going to create our own virtual machine that we're going to use for this project. So to create a virtual machine, we click here, new. So we give the machine a name. So I'm gonna just put the name here. So I'm gonna create a name. I'm gonna give the name of the machine. Descom the file location. You choose the type of machine. We'll be creating a Linux machine, and I don't want Oracle, so I'm gonna use Red Hat 64-bit. Where's that? Right here. So we take next. So we're gonna allocate the memory for the machine. So I'm gonna allocate 2 GB. 2 gig is okay. Take next and then create. So we're gonna allocate the disk space for the virtual machine. I'm gonna go up to 100. No, let me allocate 96. 96 is okay for me. So the disk space create. Good. So our machine has been created right here. It looks like I'm gonna just let me just have it here and then follow our agenda. So we've created our machine, and that brings us to the end of this part 1, and see you in the next video where we're gonna do the part 2, which will be to download a Linux CentOS 7 disk image, and then we load it on the machine, and then we start our installation, configuration and installation of our server. See you in the next video. Thank you.